My name is Dr. Bryan Hotujec. I'm a specialist in obstetrics and gynecology with Dean. I was born and raised in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, in the northwestern part of the state. Went and had my undergraduate education at Truman State University in Kirksville, Missouri, and then came back to Madison for medical school at the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health, which is actually where I met my wife, who was also a medical student at UW. Both my wife and I stayed for residency training in Madison with the University of Wisconsin. I trained again in obstetrics and gynecology, and my wife trained in family medicine and is working in town as well. Initially, as I was going through medical school and before medical school, I had planned on becoming an orthopedic surgeon. I had a lot of background in orthopedics, but ended up really enjoying obstetrics when I was a third-year medical student. Enjoyed being a part of pregnancy care and being a part of delivery, and then also came to realize that there was a lot of surgery involved in the specialty. At the end of the day, it really became the best field for me to be able to help care for patients in a medical context as well as in a surgical context, and still to be able to do a lot of different kinds of surgery. My main practice philosophy, my main idea with practice is to help share with patients what the options are, to really talk about what the next steps are and what the best way to treat the certain issue would be. Obviously, it's always best to start in the least invasive way possible, starting with medical care and kind of routine care, but then also having the option for the next step in surgical care. Obviously, I really enjoy surgery, having thought about several surgical fields and ended up in GYN. I enjoy surgery when it's appropriate, but again, want to help each patient make the right decision for their current issue. As a resident at the UW, we ended up working with the Dean group pretty regularly and consistently over the 4 years, both in obstetrics and in gynecologic surgery. It was a great opportunity to meet the group that in the future I'd end up joining and really get to know everybody in the context of work and what practice would be like. Dean offers a very unique opportunity in Madison where we have primary care specialists as well as the whole array of subspecialists and subspecialist surgeons. It's really a great group to be able to practice within and to have all of these very well-trained subspecialist consultants as well as general care providers to refer our patients to. Again, my name is Dr. Bryan Hotujec, and I look forward to seeing you in clinic soon.